Good day, I am Giselle Arcata. I was born at August 26, 1991. I am now 33 years of age. I came from Zone 4, San Agustin, Canacman, Camarines Sur, Philippines. I am happy being single, living with my parents and my three kids, ages 14 years old, 12 years old, and 9 years old. My hobbies are cooking, cleaning, dancing, and singing. I am a domestic helper in Saudi Arabia for 2 years and 3 months in the year of August 21, 2018 till November 14, 2020. And I was applying again in Jeddah, Saudi Arabia for 2 years and 1 month in the year of January 2, 2002 till February 20, 2024. I was served a couple and with three kids, ages 14 years old, 2 years old, and infant baby. When I was in Jeddah, Saudi Arabia, I was served again a couple with three kids, ages 16 years old, 14 years old, and 9 years old. My duties are cooking, cleaning, washing clothes, ironing, taking care of baby, preparing a breakfast, lunch, and dinner. I just want to work in Hong Kong because I want to save a money for the future of my children. To my future employer, please choose me as your helper because I am trustworthy, kind, patient, hardworking, and willing to do a multitask if necessary. Thank you, and I am looking forward to work with you as soon as possible.